Habpro Garage Doors has been an industry leader, repairing, installing, and replacing various types of commercial overhead doors, dock doors, warehouse doors, roll-up doors, rolling steel doors, Rytec high-speed doors, and electric operating equipment for over 45 years. Car dealerships, factories, tire stores, warehousing, shipping, and more. Our team is ready to serve you with fast turnaround times, quality products, and reliable service. We represent some of the biggest names in the industry. Need a door replaced? We've got you covered. Have a door that's been hit and needs new panels? We stock standard size panels for most makes of doors. Got a door that's been knocked off track? We can get it fixed in a hurry. Spring broken on your door? No problem. We keep a large selection of commercial torsion springs in stock. Cables broken, new motors, or general service and repairs, the Habpro team is at your service.